Hello friends, let's learn to read and spell. Are you ready? Let's begin. O is for owl. Let's spell owl. O-W-L. Owl. P is for pen. Let's spell pen. P-E-N. Pen. Q is for quiz. Let's spell quiz. Q-U-I-Z. Quiz. R is for run. Let's spell run. R-U-N. Run. S is for sun. Let's spell sun. S-U-N. Sun. T is for toy. Let's spell toy together. T-O-Y. Toy. U is for up. Let's spell up. U-P. Up. Great job reading and spelling. Keep learning and have fun with Kidzstation Fun Academy.